Hello, dear friends. Today I'm going to show you how to use this AI tool to easily earn a passive income from the forex market. Passive income. It might sound unbelievable, but with the development of AI technology, many tedious or complex tasks can now be handled by AI. The AI tool I'm showing you today can replace the tedious and complex parts of forex trading that are easily affected by emotions, so your work becomes very easy. You don't need to stare at the screen or do highly brain-intensive analysis and judgment. You only need less than an hour each week to complete the work. No more nonsense. I'll start the demonstration now. How to operate it. The first step is to install this tool on your trading platform. This trading platform must be MT4 or MT5. If your broker provides one of these two platforms, you can use either one. I'll demonstrate on MT5 today. If you don't have one, well, I can tell you about a company's website. They provide MT4 and MT5, and the application process is very simple. Let me tell you, it's Purple Trading, this company. It's just that their demo account has no time limit and can be used permanently. Using their demo account for testing is an ideal choice. Applying for their demo trading account is very convenient. It's easy to download and start testing. For example, you go to their website. You can click on Demo. Then you fill in your first name, last name, and country of residence. The country you live in. By the way, residents of Canada cannot apply for a real account here because they don't accept Canadian residents. But we're just using their demo account for testing, so that's fine. After filling out the form, you can download their MT4 or MT5. After downloading and installing, you go back to my website. My website's URL is forexgoldenfisher.com. You go to the client portal. Click on Client Portal because I've already registered. If you haven't registered, you can click Sign Up and enter your email. Everyone then set a password. If you don't have a referral code, leave it blank or ask your referrer. Then fill in the verification code. Click Sign Up. It's free, so it's very easy. I've already applied, so I just click Login. After clicking, the first page you see is My Profile, since I've already filled in my phone number and name. After this interface appears. If your interface looks different, just fill in your phone number and name. There's also a user agreement that you need to sign and upload. This is to comply with legal regulations. Forex trading involves financial products, so the user agreement includes risk warnings and disclaimers. After signing the user agreement, you can proceed to the next step. Then you'll see this interface. Here are the download links for MT4 and MT5. We also call it an EA, or Expert Advisor. There's an install guide here. If you're still unclear after watching this video, you can read through the install guide. Then follow the steps yourself. The install guide has 20 tradable currency pairs. You can add the currency pairs you prefer to your platform. Now open the MT5 platform. I've already installed it here. Open it. Everyone after opening, you'll see a page like this. First, everyone after opening the MT5 platform, you need to log into your demo account. How to log in? After opening, here select Log into Trade Account. Log into Trade Account. Enter your account number, password, and select your server name here. Because different brokers may have different servers, everyone fill in the server name here. Then click OK. You'll enter your demo account. After logging in, copy the downloaded EA, my AI tool, into this folder. Click File, Open Data Folder. Then click MQL5. Then click Expert. Then Advisors. Copy the downloaded AI tool here. I've already copied it here. After copying, you need to restart. Close it, click File, and make sure you can see the exit. Then reopen it. After reopening, go to Click View. Then click Navigator. You'll see the AI tool in there. That's it. How to add it to the Navigator chart window. Let me demonstrate. I'll close this and demonstrate again. Close it. I'll close. For example, if you want to add it to a chart window, to the chart, click File. Here's New Chart. See it? Click New Chart. For example, I want to add USD JPY. Click this one. It's already added. There, remove it and show. How to add it again. All right. First, activate the USD JPY chart window, this chart. After activating, double-click the AI tool, Expert Advisor. Double-click it. After double-clicking, you'll see this interface. You can choose these two parameters. The first parameter is the number of currency pairs that can be traded at the same time. For example, if you have multiple charts open, if you choose one, it means only one currency pair can be traded at a time. The second parameter is the size of your trading position. You can decide based on your own situation. For example, how much profit you expect to make.
How much you want to earn each month. Everyone. That's one thing. The second is how much loss you can tolerate. The larger these two numbers, the greater the volatility. So you need to have a mental expectation of how much you want to earn, and in that case, how much volatility you can tolerate. If these two numbers are too large, you might not be able to handle it, right? So for this parameter, base lot, you can try 0.1, 0.2, 0.3, and adjust gradually. You can experiment yourself. Because my AI tool is free for the first 30 days, you can use these 30 days to figure out your ideal numbers. All right, everyone, that's the parameters. There's also a common tab. Since 99% of the work is handled by this AI tool, you must authorize it by checking Allow Algo Trading. Because it needs to place orders, judge the market, then decide whether to close the order, etc. Most decisions are handled by it. So click OK to for the AI tool go and K again. This way, the Everyone tool will appear on the chart window. You'll see a Close All button. If you want to select a second chart window, click File, New Chart. For example, EURUSD. Click EURUSD. The operation is the same. You can add it. The operation is the same. Everyone, you can click this one to arrange the windows. All right. If you click File, New Chart, and can't find the currency pair you want, you can click View, then click Market Watch. Right-click Show All to find it. Here, everyone, there are more currency pairs. For example, AUD Japanese. Found it, right? Then right-click Table and click Chart Window. It pops up. If you still can't find it, everyone go to the bottom of Market Watch. Click to add. For example, or you keep missing it, click to add. Just type it here. For example, type NZD Japanese. This one, right? Click it, and it appears. Then, right-click Table and add it to the chart window. All right, a tool is added to the trading platform. It can now operate in real time. What's the next step? Next, rearrange it. All right, what's next? Go to Tools and click Options. Then click Expert Advisor. After clicking Expert Advisor, check these boxes. Allow algo trading. Check, check, check. Then add my website here, forexgoldenfisher.com. Click Enter. Then click OK. This way.
The final step. Click Tools Options, then click Server. You'll see server name, login, password. We'll talk about that later. Now fill in the login. Everyone go back to my website. Add a license. Click Add a new license. And enter the information you see here. Server name, account number. Then copy it. Copy it here. For example, it's a demo, right? Then fill in the account number. Account password. You don't need to fill in the real one. Any password will do. Whatever password. But if you want us to help you install this AI tool, then fill in the correct one. If you don't need help, then you can install it yourself. Just fill in any number. Then, description. Description is what this account is for, to help you remember. For example, this is for testing. Just put testing. Then submit. If you have multiple testing accounts, Consume or testing 2, that works. All right. Everyone, after registering, once you're done, your trading platform can receive trading signals and start operating.
One thing to remember is that your trading platform needs to be running when the market is open. For example, in Vancouver time, from Sunday at 2 p.m. to Friday at 2 p.m., this is when the market is open. So during this time, you should keep the platform running 24 hours. The frame market is open. So during this time, you should keep the platform running 24 hours and not shut it down. Don't turn off the computer. Don't close the platform. Otherwise, some orders won't be placed. Everyone, if orders can't be placed, or some stop-loss positions aren't updated in time, this will cause the account to lose profits. Profits that should be taken won't be taken. Stop losses that should be set won't be set. Everyone, this is very important. So keep your computer running 24 hours. Ensure the platform isn't closed. Very important. If there's no internet connection, if your internet disconnects, it will affect it. It's equivalent to the platform being shut down, which is also very important. Next, the final step. Let me show you what to do. When the platform, someone, and the AI tool are running, let me show you. Next, I'll look at what happens when some orders are already running. For example, this account already has orders running. When there are orders running, for example, this currency pair, USD-CHF, zoom in on the chart. When there are open positions, when there are trades in the market, a table will appear. And this table, quickly issuing market takes have dissipated. The first column is duration, day 0. This means the order has a signal from the moment it was opened. The time when the first order was placed to today is completely day 0. This means the order just entered the market. It entered the market on day 0. Then, current profit, meaning your current profit value. How much profit you have now. This is negative $5.70, right? It means the floating loss is $5.70. Actually, this current profit and the numbers inside have different meanings. This includes historically closed orders, like profitable orders that have already been closed, or entire current, since the first order was placed. From the day the first order was placed, some orders have already profited and closed. They're included in this number. So entire current table since this order just started, the orders decide are the same. A few days later, for example, day 5, day 6, the numbers will be different. Then let me see if there are others. Any orders. After a few days, let me check. This one has almost a day and a half. All right. This one I'll explain based on this. What's the judgment criterion for this AI tool? I gave it a threshold. A filter, a trend. When the probability of a trend appearing is above 70%, it will place an order.
If it's below 70%, it won't place an order.
If you see orders already in place, it means the probability of a trend is above 70%.
What's a trend? From this point,
A rise or fall of 150 pips.
up or down, it doesn't matter. If the movement is over 150 pips, I call it a trend. So when the probability of a trend is above 70%, it will place an order.
Otherwise, it won't. In other words, below 70%, it won't place an order. There's a 30% chance the trend doesn't happen. That means from day 10 to day 15. 15, from day 10 to day 15. You need to make a decision. Everyone's that is because there's a 30% chance the trend doesn't appear. For example, you've lost $100 or $200. Because this depends heavily on your base lot and the previous parameters. So, for example, you lost $100 or you lost $200. For example, you can click Close All. Because after 10 to 15 days, the probability is no longer 70%. It drops from 70% to 50%. At this point, you should decide whether to exit. If you decide to exit, you should close all positions for this currency pair. At this point, you have a number to remember. If you lost $100, the next opportunity, use when you click Close All. That profit must be higher than the loss. For example, 1.5 times, 2 times, or 2.5 times, 3 times. It's up to you to decide. This way, you can use a formula to calculate how likely you are to make money. For example, because from day 1 to day 10, there's a 70% probability. If you operate this way every time, your risk-reward ratio, your profit-to-loss ratio, is 2 to 1. Profit is 2, loss is 1. In a 2 to 1 scenario, with a 70% probability, you can calculate with a formula how much you can expect to earn after 100 trades. This formula, you can calculate it. If you don't know how, ask ChatGPT. After 100 trades, $1,000 can become $2,100. That's ChatGPT's answer. I suggest everyone install Chrome Remote. It's free, like this. Install Chrome Remote. You can also install it on your phone. On desktop or laptop, install it too. This way, you can log into your desktop from your phone to check these two numbers. For example, I made $200 today, and lost $100 the day before yesterday. You can consider whether to pocket the profit. Click Close All, and after clicking, all trades for this currency pair are closed, and the profit is secured. Wait for the next trading opportunity. That's what you need to do. As I said at the beginning of this video, we don't need to stare at the screen. You don't need to do brain-intensive judgments or analysis. For example, will there be a trend? Is it going up or down? Where to set stop loss? You don't need to worry about any of this, because all this work is handled by the AI tool. So all you need to do is control the risk-reward ratio. That's all you need to do. How much time do you spend in a week? Maybe just checking on your phone. Probably about half an hour a week in total. That's it. That's how you operate. So you can easily earn an income from the forex market. All right. That's all for today's video. Please like and share. Thank you for watching.